back with another video. Stay tuned because I am going to talk about zero gravity. We're going to be talking how to improve elasticity of the skin. I have two products that have worked incredible for me, and so let's fight the aging process, my friends. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Friends. Okay? Hello, Clarissa here, and happy holidays to you, my friends. This is my outfit, Christmas outfit, Miss Santa Claus. And so I am going to talk about how to prevent the gravity, how to maintain the skin elastic more than ever. And but keep in mind that everything has to be done in a holistic way, internally and externally. As I mentioned in all the videos, internally it is very important to put, a good quality collagen product, a good quality hyaluronic acid that has no fillers. Products that has too many fillers, it will aggravate the liver, it makes the liver overwork, and you'll be absorbing like probably 1% of it. And mostly some products that you find like in Costco and some cheap health food stores, it's a lot of fillers, and it's mostly fillers than the actual product. So be alert to the labels. So I always advise for you to detox your body. When you wake up in the morning, take 12 ounces of warm water with honey. Honey is going to hydrate your body from inside out, and every time you wake up and take warm water, 12 ounces or 24 ounces, you're giving a bath to your internal organs. And I put lemon, I put some cayenne pepper, I put some turmeric, I put some ginger, and just take that every time you wake up, before eating anything, and on empty stomach. And so another thing is that ginger and turmeric are powerful antioxidants for your cells. And when your cells are being depleted and destroyed gradually by the free radicals, by stress, by bad emotions, that's another thing. People with a lot of hate, they have a lot of bad emotions. And studies have been done that people with hate, they look older than a person that always practice kindness. And so there are a lot of things to keep in mind about how to maintain your body rejuvenated. And so take your B-complex, very important for your skin and hair, and for your nerves and for your energy. Take it in the morning. The ones that I recommend is coenzyme B-complex. I will put the description in the video so you have an idea of what to buy. Take pre-digested powder proteins. I had mentioned before the brand name that you could take it in other videos, but I will put it again. So eat organic, detox your body, stay away with too much carbohydrates that becomes sugar eventually in your body, and then you will have glycation of your cells. Too much sugar, it's a killer for your body, it's a killer for your brain. And so of course there are more things that you could do internally, but this is the basic that I'm telling you, that you could do it every day. And externally, a skin brush, baths, algae baths, sea salt baths, turmeric baths, keep your body exfoliated to maintain the firmness of your skin, and to keep stimulating collagen. Exfoliation stimulates collagen. And so now I am going to talk about these two wonderful products that are going to fight against gravity. So the name of the video is going to be Zero Gravity, because it is possible to maintain the body firm without the sagging. I have seen in my patients, I have seen in myself, and so my son is almost 35 years old, and I know there are a lot of critical people that think I have plastic surgery, and I had mentioned before that no doctor is gonna cut my face. There is no way. So I do, you know, facial workouts. Facial workouts, like I had explained before, it creates like a cushion in your facial muscles to maintain your skin firm. Because let's suppose you do a facial workout for your cheeks. So those cheeks are increasing in volume due to the facial workout, the resistance that you put while you're doing the facial workout. So it's gonna eventually create like a cushion here to firm your skin. I know that a lot of the viewers don't believe me, and like I said, once again, no doctor is gonna cut my face. I was raised organic. I was raised organic vegetarian baby. I was raised in an environment where nutrition was emphasized heavily. It's not like I just started taking care of myself when I was in my 30s. It has been all my life due to my parents. The inspiration of my parents had created in my life my profession. So let's start with the product. Okay, so I am going to mention this product right here. This is company name is Nature and Zero Gravity. This is a beautiful formulation. I had tested already for 2 weeks, and I do see the difference. People, my patient asked me, one patient came the other day, he says, "Oh my goodness, Clarissa, you look rejuvenated, you look every time younger." And I think it was due to these two products. I know the products that I use, it really gives results, but there are certain products that really shows. And this here comes in this little container, and this is 1.7 ounces, Zero Gravity. It has the whip technology that effortlessly gets absorbed into the skin, and it has the ingredient that we all know, cacao oil. It has raspberry oil. The raspberry oil, you know, new studies are found that it helps with the gravity, helps with the firming of the skin due to the intense hydration that provides to the skin. And what else it has? Let's see here. Oh, and the best thing of all, it has these rare marine minerals. I had explained and emphasized in several videos about marine botanicals, in this case is marine minerals that helps to increase the elasticity of the skin. It helps to preserve the elasticity of the skin. Plant minerals are so effective in maintaining the elasticity of the skin. And also it has, okay, yeah, raspberry seed. It has the sea buckthorn extract, which is awesome antioxidant. It helps with the elasticity of the skin. It helps with the hydration of the skin. I take the sea buckthorn oil internally, and also they have the sea buckthorn liquid that you could take it. It is a beautiful oil for internal rejuvenation. So this product right here, my friends, has all those ingredients, and also has, like I mentioned before, the Amazonian cacao oil that helps with the production of collagen due to the retinol contents that this oil has. And so the name of this product, it is Zero Gravity, and like I said before, it has the whipped technology to help absorb into the skin. And you wanna guess how much it costs, my friends? You wanna guess how much it costs? Everybody will be able to afford it. There is no excuse. $18. $18. Bless this company that they had formulated in a very honest way, in a way that the product really works. But I'm going to tell you, this is like a treatment. You have to put another layer of hydration, of a different moisturizer. You have to layer it, you know, first the serums, and then after you apply, like let's suppose 2 or 3 serums, just wait for a few minutes and apply this Zero Gravity cream, and then wait and put another hydrating moisturizer. This has some hydrating effects due to the raspberry oil. Like I said before, raspberry oil has been found with the new studies that helps with the gravity due to the hydration that provides to the skin. And so there are elements to help with elasticity, but I always use another layer of a hydration cream, just emphasized to hydration, a cream that is just emphasized to hydration. The one that I use is Collagen and Collagen because it's loaded with lipids, so that keeps my skin very, very plump. And so you know, hopefully you're able to find it. I have the website here. Let me see the website. Okay, so where is the website? I know I saw it. Okay, my sweet friends, I will find the website for you guys, okay? And I believe this product, I heard that it's going to be sold at Whole Foods and in the high-end health food stores. So be attentive to that. Another one that I'm going to share, it is the Youth Incarna. The Youth Incarna Hydroboost Collagen. This has, I should say, this features the aqua spheres, which is a technology that helps to hydrate the skin up to 88%. It says right here, features aqua spheres proven to increase moisture levels instantly up to 88%. This has a large amount of hyaluronic acid, it has the soluble collagen, and also has the raspberry oil. This also has the raspberry oil. And so it also has the rose oil as well that helps with elasticity. Let's see here, let me open for you. I just, you know, like I said, I keep the boxes so I can remember to put the information in the description box. This is a Hydroboost Collagen, and the company name, it says Youth Incarna. Youth Incarna. And okay, so it's www.youthincarna.com. It is paraben-free, mineral oil-free, no dyeing alcohol, cruelty-free. And hydrating anti-aging serum delivers essential nutrients to your skin. Collagen serum plumps away the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Lightweight moisturizing formula is not greasy with a light aroma. So this is a serum. What I do, I use this first, and then I will use this. And two awesome products that are not over $100 or over $90 or over $200. And I have even tried products that are over $1,000, $1,900 that was probably 2 years ago when I went to Neiman Marcos. I just got tempted and I purchased it to test it. Very, very disappointed. I never saw any results. And so usually you pay for the name, but there are times that you have to pay for the technology. Okay, so I rather pay for the technology than paying for the name or beautiful containers, because I want a product with technology inside the bottle in order to work. And so this has the microspheres technology for intense moisture and hydration up to 88%. So when the moisture is being emphasized, your skin is gonna plump, your skin is gonna maintain more elastic, because the protein fibers in your body depend on good hydration, of good moisture to survive. So hopefully you like this video, my sweet friends, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Happy holidays, and you stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, and don't get down if whatever advice I give you and doesn't work quickly. I had mentioned before, all depends how toxic the body is, all depends how long have you been taking care of your body. If you had started really early, it's going to be very easy. Especially if your body is really toxic, it's going to take much longer. So try to have detoxification programs into your regimen. The best thing also to detoxify your body is taking baths. You know, hot baths to open up those pores, and you know, once those pores are open, a lot of dirt, a lot of elements that doesn't belong in your body is gonna come out, and so and it's going to maintain your appearance much more youthful. So I'll see you, my sweet friends. I'll be back with more videos, and I love you, my friends.